Welcome to India Quiz. The term deep valley is related with the who won the Australian Open 2006 women's single title. Which Indian cricketer captured 6 wickets for 23 runs in World Cup? French Open 2007 men's singles champion Rafael Nadal defeated who won the Asian Grand Prix 2006 title for athletics in women's category in both 400 meters and 800 meters. Which country finished second in the South Asian Games 2006? Cricket is the national game of who was named the SEAT World Cricketer of the year 2005 and 6. Wellington Trophy is given for the dash game. Which country achieved topmost position in 20th Winter Olympics 2006? Which team has won consecutively 3 times in the World Cup cricket? What is the highest third wicket partnership scored in the Test cricket? Which bowler claimed a hat-trick in the very first over of a Test cricket match? Who has the highest batting average in the Test cricket? The term auxiliary point system is related with the game. Which position India achieved in the 18th Commonwealth Games? Which pair won men's doubles title in Wimbledon 2006? Which wicketkeeper has scored highest individual runs in one-day internationals? Among the following, who is associated with football? In which place was the 20th Winter Olympics 2006 held? Who won the Formula One championship 7 times? Arthur Walker Trophy is associated with? Who hit highest runs in an over in Test cricket? Who clinched women's singles title in Wimbledon 2006? Who won the first gold medal for India in the 18th Commonwealth Games? India's national sport. Only captain of Indian hockey team who has captained in more than one Olympic team. Who won the only bronze medal for India in 1996 Summer Olympics? Who was the first Indian bowler to claim a hat-trick in World Cup cricket? Who was the first Indian to win World Junior Boxing Championship 2006, which was conducted in Morocco? In which place the 19th Commonwealth Games are to be held? Who is the top wicket taker of the World Cup 2007? Who scored highest number of goals in FIFA World Cup 2006? Who won the French Open Women's Singles title 2007? Who made fastest 9,000 runs in Test history? Which team has won FIFA World Cup 5 times? Which team won Asia Cup 2007 in hockey? Who won the women's single title in US Open 2007? Which Australian won the Singapore Open Golf Tournament 2006? Who was the first wicket-keeper to dismiss 10 batsmen in Test cricket? Mention number of players required to play polo game. Who won the US Open men's doubles title in 2006? Balk line is related with the game. The head of International Cricket Council is in. Which team created a new world record for the highest team total in ODIs? Who won the Sunfeast Open tennis tournament in September 2006? Who was the youngest ever to win Asian Formula Championship in motor racing? Who won the men's singles title in French Open 2006? Which country did India beat in field hockey to win gold in the very first Olympics that India participated as an independent nation? Sport event in which India has bagged most victories in Summer Olympics?